of your home-style favorites, from fried chicken and mashed potatoes to oven-fresh yeast rolls and a chocolate wonderfall that flows all day, every day. And weekends? What's better than a weekend? More weekend. Introducing 3-day weekends at Golden Corral, featuring fish fry Fridays, prime rib Saturdays, and carvery Sundays. Enjoy delicious fried fish, juicy prime ribs, and tender hand-carved meats. Free specials, free premium nights all year long. It's always a 3-day weekend at Golden Corral, the only one for everyone.
You have a new choice in healthcare. Neighborhood health centers for you and your family. Primary care.
Okay, I feel bad because we have a fireplace, but we hadn't gotten the flue cleaned. This year when it got cold, I ended up covering it with some of the shrink wrap. And it's only because Ed literally didn't make it out onto the roof to clean it before winter kicked in. So we have not burned the fireplace, which is why it had the shrink wrap on here. Now, we've undone it because, and it's not uncommon, unfortunately, last fall, we knew we had a bird up in the flue, and which is why we knew we needed to clean it before we used the fireplace. But now we have a bird. Okay, so there's the grate, but the bird somehow got down in this part where the blower is. So now we don't know what to do. So, I mean, short of tearing this whole thing out, which is impossible, we don't know what to do. So, and I just need to tear the plastic down, but for right now, I haven't. Yeah, so there you go. Quandary of the day, what to do. So the wood sits there, and then the bird, of course, that has a whole bottom on it, and the bird somehow got under the whole thing. So he's in that space underneath there. Literally, I have no idea. But I don't really want to tear my whole fireplace apart for a bird, so I don't know.